Now, someone asked me a question. Can I repair years of sun damage? It's actually possible, but not everything can actually be completely reversed. Now, let me take my time to explain. Now, if you spent years in the sun without applying sunscreen, and you may have noticed maybe dark spots, uneven skin, wrinkles, rough textures, or probably you've lost firmness. More like, your skin is not, the texture of your skin is actually completely rough and a little bit squeezed. Well, there can still be improvement, but might not be totally improved. But with time, all right, when you start shielding your skin from the sun, also applying moisturizers to help with your firmness of skin, you will definitely see improvement, but might not fade off quickly, but with time. Now, I'll take my time to explain some of the points as where I'm driving at. Now, dark spots and uneven skin tone often improve significantly with consistent sunscreen use. All right, and you get to use products like vitamin C, retinoids, azelaic acid, alpha-butene powder, and tranexamic acid. Those products are beautiful and they would help improve your skin texture with consistent use. Not I use it this week, go shishemo. Consistency, you will definitely see results. Now, fine lines and you having some texture, more like bit squeezed texture, you notice retinoids can help stimulate collagen production and also improves your skin texture with time. So I would advise you to stick to collagen. But mind you, nothing like topical collagen. Ingest collagen. Topical collagen, to me, I just feel it doesn't work. So get ingested collagen, right? Probably in powdered form, tablet form. And there are other ways to get collagen as well. People that will say, I don't like to break bone. And when I go to a party, say, buy chicken bone, buy me only break it because I'm a big girl. If only you know that the bone marrow gives collagen. So now start breaking bone and be removing the bone marrow. It also helps with collagen. Now, another one is people having wrinkles and severe loss of elasticity. Now, skincare products can actually help improve the appearance of your wrinkles, but it doesn't generally mean it would completely remove your sun damage. No. So procedures like laser, chemical peels, microneedling, they actually help provide additional improvements. Now, the most important step is you applying your sunscreen. I keep saying this, sunscreen does a lot. Make sure you always shield your skin and you apply your sunscreen every 2 hours. So the best time is to always protect your skin from years of UV ray that is being exposed. Just because it's probably raining now, you say, I can't see the sun, there's no sun. Always apply your sunscreen. It is very important. And a healthy skin is Micky's paddy. I think that's my new slogan. And I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye, guys.